Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today I've got something pretty unique lined up. It's called the Barley Twist. Now this is one of those projects that looks complicated, but it's actually a lot of fun, especially because it lets us show off what we can do with a CNC router using a ShopSabre 4th axis indexing system. Most people know CNC for nested cutting, but what often gets overlooked is how much more you can do during those downtimes between bigger runs. And that's where this comes in. Today I'm going to create a spindle with a classic twist pattern, thanks to the design that our friends at Vectric shared with us. So let's talk setup for a moment. This machine is our IS series CNC router, and it is equipped with a ShopSabre 4th axis indexing system. What that means is that I can rotate my material a full 360 degrees, which is what makes this twist entirely possible. The system itself is built tough. You've got a steel, professional grade chuck head with a 4-jaw design. That means I can clamp down on non-symmetrical material and still trust that it's going to hold it tight. Additionally, we provide a professional freestanding steel tailstock so that you can customize the length depending on the size of your project. For my setup, I kept it very simple. I surfaced the spoil board so it was perfectly flat. I cut a pocket in Vectric V-Carve Pro that matches the headstock and tailstock. We bolted everything down, plugged it in, and aligned the material. From there, the machine took care of the rest of this. For my project, I'm going to be doing this on the IS408, which is a 4x8 version of this machine, but I do offer this also in an IS series 5x10 and 6x12 if you need more space. And if your shop needs something more budget friendly, we've got a Pro series, which is the same great quality, just a different entry point. One thing that made my life easier here is the table reference pins. They let me drop this fixture in the same place every single time, so it's repeatable and accurate. The controller even remembers this location, so the setup is quick the next time around if I'm going to do this more than once. Now for the file, you can buy these designs online or even make your own. In this case, Vectric hooked us up with this Barley Twist design, and we tool pathed it in Vectric V-Carve Pro using the 4th axis feature. So the design is loaded, the 4th axis is ready, we're gonna get the spindle aligned, and let's get this fired up. And here it is, the Barley Twist. Clean, detailed, and ready to be installed in your next project. This is the kind of thing that would normally get outsourced. But with the right CNC and a 4th axis, you can use any downtime to make precise pieces like this in-house. Whether it's a staircase, a kitchen, or something custom like this project, this setup really expands what's possible. At the end of the day, CNC routing gives you more control, more flexibility, and more opportunities than ever before. And with ShopSabre, you're not just getting a CNC, you're getting American-made quality, unmatched support, and a machine that pays for itself with the projects it makes possible. ShopSabre is automation at its best, So if you're ready to push your shop further, it's time to get yourself a ShopSabre. Thanks for watching. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and I'll see you in the next one.